Hi, this is Brad Corbin with HIRevPro, and today we're going to go over how to set your taxes and margins. So as the owner of the company, you're going to go into your business profile. So once you sign in, you're going to click here at the business profile, and we're going to go ahead and go to products and labor. At the products and labor screen, we're going to find the margin and the tax items on the very top. Now the margin is actually going to apply to all roofing system, labor, and miscellaneous. So you're going to want to put your cost in as your products and labor and miscellaneous because it will actually be marginalized to your desired margin. Now, a reminder, margin is a percentage of the total contract price that you will make. It's not the same as markup. So margin equals your actual gross profit. So if you sell a $10,000, if your sales price is $10,000 and you make $4,000, you have a 40% margin. If you are in fact operating off of markup, we've also put a chart right here under more info that shows you the difference between the margin and the markup. So if you have a 40% markup, then you're roughly at a 29% margin. So in order to keep your business the same, you're going to be at 29% margin within HIRevPro. This makes it much easier as a business owner to plan due to the fact that you are able to know exactly how much of every contract that you're going to make. So we made this chart available to you right through the help link here. Now on the tax is added to materials. It does not get applied to labor, warranty, or miscellaneous. Those are untaxed items. So you're just going to want to enter your tax rate here. And as soon as you click off of that, you'll notice in the bottom that it changed your settings there. Same with the margin. And now your sales team is ready to go out and price jobs at a uniform margin with the appropriate tax rate. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to talking to you soon.